Okay, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. As you can tell right there, I'm actually at Tesla. This is actually the worldwide factory for Tesla, and there's all the cars are actually made here. This thing is absolutely massive, and so I'm going to give you a quick tour and show you what I can show you, because obviously the security is pretty tight if you try to get inside, but this is where all the Tesla cars are made. So let's go ahead and take a look. Add that to the 42700, 45262. All right, about to go test drive the new Model S. Wow, this is the interior of the Model S. Very nice and extremely high tech.
Okay, now bring it all the way down. You're on drive,
okay,
and then you can press the gas, and then we'll turn that way.
Wow. Okay, so I just got done with my test drive with the Tesla Model S. It was their top of the line performance model, and I was really impressed by it. The handling was great, definitely had a lot of power, and it was basically like driving a computer, because that was pretty much the most advanced car that I've ever been in. Obviously it's not going to be cheap, but it's definitely worth it if you've never tried anything like that. And just the fact that I heard no engine because everything's electric, it was definitely a really different experience. And so if you had any thoughts on Tesla, whether you've been to the factory or maybe you have driven a Tesla or have one yourself, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.